Guys, this is one of our biggest fans. They did all the work themselves. It's all bolt-on parts, and then we adjusted everything, got it all nicely fit. So this is a 2006 Ford Mustang GT 4.6 liter convertible. Man, that was a mouthful. But anyways, it's clean, guys. It's a dad-son project, and they've done really a lot of nice work on it, as you guys can see. Look at this thing. Got wheels, badging. It's all custom all the way around. So let me show you guys what they did together. So it's a dad-son project, and that's what I love about cars, because you can have a lot of fun with your kids with it. If your kid loves cars like you do, then make sure he goes under the hood and builds with you, and just get him started young in the love of cars. Because once you do that, it never goes away, and it always makes a lot of beautiful memories. But anyways, it's got long tube BBK headers there in there that they installed themselves, which is a feat by itself. And then it's got a BBK mid-pipe, X-pipe combo with cats. Right there, and right there, there's the X-pipe, and there's the BBK badging right there, so you guys know it is BBK. And then they also installed the Flowmaster FXs themselves. His dad welded it, and then they grinded the welds a little bit, made them look prettier. So there's the two Flow FXs, and then 2.5-inch pipe continues out the back on each side with a muffler to lead there and there. They also installed all that too. So it was a full bolt-on pieces that they installed, as you guys can see. Came out really nice, really clean. We're gonna let you guys hear it. We love when we see a dad-son combo tackle a car and get it restored and fixed up. So we always appreciate that and like that. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. And like always, like, comment, and subscribe. So guys, I saw the tip, this one right here, where it was all bent up. I said I couldn't let him leave like that. So we slapped him some new tips on it. Why not? Because that's the Exhaust Addicts way. They look a lot better, and they just fit the car very nicely. All right, drop her down. We'll let you guys hear it. Check it out, guys. It's not a GT no more. It's Exhaust Addicts. I like that. That's pretty cool. That's awesome. That's cool. All right, guys. 2006 Ford Mustang GT 4.6 liter with long tube headers and full system. Sound decibels. 115. At idle, it's about 86. Is it stick shift? Oh, nice. So his first car he learned on is stick shift, right?
Yep, he's learning on this.
Yes, sir. Sounds good. I like it. What do you guys think of this out? See how clean? It's got a perfect stance to it too. I like it. Let you guys hear it on the inside. I know it's convertible, but it's okay. Let's do this. We got the Insta360 camera on there too. So it's ready. Very nice. Beast mode. That's awesome. That was cool. Go all the way. That's a good sounding Mustang right there. Enjoy, guys. I think they like it. I sure like it. It sounds perfect. It's so clean. Very nice. Can't beat the 5-speed stick shift. Do you want to try that again?
Yes, I do.
All right, let's do this. It wouldn't go into gear, so.
Are you sure about that?
Try it again. Round 2, because it missed a gear. So
Take off 2.0.
take off 2.0. I like that. Because you know what? Why not? That's all I tell you guys. You don't have a car guy in your friend group, you need one. Okay, let's not. Okay, let's not. From the guy himself, he says, go ahead and post it. So.
Go ahead and post it.
You know what happened with the D-R-E.
Okay. He wants to hear the comments, guys. Come up with the best Mustang. Come up with the best Mustang Phil
I
comment.
turned the fun button on, traction control was off.
Okay. So now we're going to turn it back on and just have a nice drive
We're
off.
going to drive off.
Cleanly.
We're going to do a family drive
A
off.
family drive off. Enjoy, guys. Thank you
so
again.
much, brother.
It was a pleasure. Thank you
Pleasure
again.
meeting you.
It was a pleasure. This is the family drive off one. Enjoy, guys. That was the ultimate beast mode right there.